Okay, I got started doing a couple, I guess 3 technically. One is a split, I'll show you in a second. I did the first leg of it, and then a big dead one. So I'm just gonna show you my setup real quick. If I can flip this, how do I flip it? Come on. No. Sorry. How do I flip the screen? Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, so here's the first one that I did. I'm just dropping them uphill. You can see my rope. I got it hooked up to a come along over there. I'll get to that in a second. See the notch. And then my back cut, I left a lot of holding wood just to get the come along going. And I pulled it up pretty good. So there's the 1, the 2, and this is number 3. I'll put it right where I'm standing. But also I want to show you the trailer, putting it to use, man. What a great thing to have those walls. I'm already enjoying it. I want it to come right at me. Oh yeah, it's getting loose. Here it comes. I just pulled it. There we go. Cleanup time. Starting tree number 3. Nice decent notch. 1 shot. Not too bad. I'll clean up that. We're getting there. We're getting better. That's what it's all about. Got the 462 running. She's humming, baby. Got some good fuel. I'll have to do a video on my fuel mix. I really like what I do with my mix. We'll talk about that. Here we go. Okay, I got it wedged. I'm cut up. I'm gonna pull this thing over. These cars, man. Sorry about the tripod or something. Come on, baby. She wants to go. Oh, here we go. I got plenty of room. There you go. Yep. Here it comes. Beautiful. Nice job. Time to clean up. All right, not too bad. That's a good maybe 1.5 inches of holding wood there. Pretty good. Maybe a little too high. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe a little too high, but I feel pretty good with it. I was in control the whole way, and there was a split, so I actually cut below it, and as it dropped, it was kind of hanging over the street a little bit. But yeah, got her done. So we got a lot of volume here to work with. So it's time to clean up. Here we go.
Yeah, we loaded her up. This is morning after. Got a few buckets of the small brush on there. But yeah, we certainly loaded her up. And look at this. That's like real nice. That thing's loaded and it's barely bending. Yeah, I got the straps on, but man, I'm real happy with it. I recommend putting the walls up if this is the kind of stuff you're going to do with your trailer. All right, here we go.